Hey everyone, welcome back. As of April 7, 2025, Apple has officially stopped signing iOS 18.3.2 just a week after rolling out iOS 18.4. This means users who have updated to iOS 18.4 can no longer downgrade their devices to iOS 18.3.2 or any earlier iOS 18.3 versions. Apple routinely stops signing older versions of iOS after a new release. This server-side signing process is a verification step that ensures only approved software can be installed on an iPhone. Once an iOS version is no longer signed, it becomes impossible to install it through standard means. By blocking downgrades, Apple encourages users to remain on the most up-to-date and secure version of iOS. It's worth pointing out that the latest iOS 18.4 update addresses over 60 security vulnerabilities, making it a highly recommended update for all users. So, if you haven't installed iOS 18.4 yet, it's a good idea to do so to ensure your iPhone is protected against known